Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is your girl Gracie and I hope you like this video. First of all, I just want to apologize to you all for taking so long to do another video. Apparently today I'll be doing half crochet locks and the rest of it will be single plaits to the front, and I'll be wrapping them. I'll show you exactly how I do that. Just check out the description box below if you like this hair. I'll put all the information in the description box, so make sure you check that out as well. And go ahead, please check out my other videos that I upload already. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching again. Love you all. One love. Peace.
Tastes better, the air smells fresher, the riches and the pleasures no longer matter, 'cause you're my treasure, more precious than gold. Girl, I want you to know you're the melody to the soul of my life. You're like a sweet bedtime story to a little child. Oh, na na na. This lifetime won't be enough to give you all this love I'm feeling inside. It's piling up. One life won't be enough to love you. Bang dong bang ba di di di, skibidi bang dong bang ba di di di. Bang dong bang ba di di di, yeah, yeah, yeah. Bang dong bang ba di di di, skibidi bang dong bang ba di di di. Bang dong bang ba di di di, yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, you set my soul on fire, and I found my heart's desire when I met you. You're like a memory to a prisoner of a better time. You're like a cool shady tree in the summertime when the sun is high. Whoa, na na na. This lifetime won't be enough to give you all this love I'm feeling inside. It's piling up. One life won't be enough to love you. Yeah, 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 yeah. One more one. Yeah. 2, 4, 6 times 6 more lifetimes still wouldn't be enough, you know. For this I love, you know. Loving up so till it a pile up, you know. It pile up in about a mile up, you know. Oh me over my mind.